Welcome to Mom's Dinner, everybody. So I recorded this whole video and then realized there was no audio being recorded. So you get me in a little voiceover today, which I think will work just fine. We're making a tomato cream sauce for dinner, and it is such a delicious recipe that actually uses your family's favorite jarred marinara sauce. It comes together really, really quick. So in a skillet over medium heat, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and then you're going to go in with half a cup of chopped onions. I used a yellow onion here, and then 3 minced garlic cloves. You're going to just get that sauteed together until the onions are starting to become translucent and are nice and soft. Then we're going to add a ton of herbs. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and 1 teaspoon of dried basil. I like to pop those dried herbs in my hand and just kind of crush them up. That helps release their essential oils and makes them a little bit more flavorful in your sauce. Then we're going to add half a teaspoon of kosher salt, a pinch of red pepper flakes, and then this is a huge flavor punch in this tomato cream sauce. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. When you use tomato paste, it's always a good idea to kind of saute it around in the pan. It develops its flavor and kind of caramelizes the tomato sugars and just makes it a little more flavorful. So make sure that coats all of the onions and the garlic, and then we're going to add the cream. You're going to go in with 1 cup of heavy cream. This is what makes it a cream sauce. So you want to make sure and pour this into the pan nice and slow, and then kind of break up all of that tomato paste and onion and garlic so that it mixes down in really well. Then we're going to add in half a cup of milk. You can use a whole milk, 2% milk. I would stay away from skim milk and do 1% or above. So just get that stirred in. And then you're going to let this simmer. You're going to see we have a little time lapse here. We're going to let this simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes so that it gets nice and thick and creamy. What you want it to do is kind of coat a wooden spoon or just a regular, teaspoon from your kitchen. That means that it's nice and thick. Now is where we're going to use your family's favorite jarred marinara sauce. Add 2 cups of that right down into the pot, whatever your family likes, so that you know everybody's going to like the flavor of this dish. Then using either a whisk or a wooden spoon, just get that all stirred in there. Let it come together, give it a taste. I'm going to go in with a little bit more kosher salt and some black pepper because that's how we like it. But add whatever extra flavor you like. If you want more basil, if you want more red pepper flakes for a little more spice. Then you're going to add in whatever cooked pasta your family likes. We are having a little spaghetti here. I like to serve this with just either a bagged Caesar salad or a homemade Caesar salad and a little garlic bread on the side, maybe some green beans if we're trying to make it, a bigger dinner. I hope that you make this tomato cream sauce pasta for dinner this week. And if you do and you love it, please connect with me in the comments below and let me know how your family liked it. So as always, I hope this recipe for tomato cream sauce helps you feel like a success at dinner time. We'll see you next week.